Hey everyone, I'm Lena, and welcome back to the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations, your home for all things steam, sauna, and modern wellness. Today we're talking about Finnmark, one of the most interesting and fastest growing sauna brands in North America. And there's one major reason for that. They're one of the very few companies that excel in both traditional Finnish saunas and full-spectrum infrared saunas. Most brands do one or the other. Finnmark does both, and they do it extremely well. Most sauna brands pick a lane, traditional heat or infrared heat. Finnmark said, why not build both, and build them like premium wellness equipment instead of mass market machines? And that's exactly what they're known for. High-quality materials, strong engineering, and some of the best infrared performance you can get without stepping into a luxury spa. Let's start with the part most people want to know about, the infrared units. Finnmark's IR saunas are true full spectrum, meaning you get all three wavelengths. Near infrared, great for skin and muscle recovery. Mid-infrared, excellent for pain relief and deeper heat. Far infrared, the one that stimulates sweating and detox. This matters because most budget infrared saunas, and even many expensive ones, are only far infrared. You get warmth, but you don't get the full therapeutic effect. With Finnmark, the heat feels stronger, deeper, and more rejuvenating. One of Finnmark's biggest strengths is safety. Their infrared panels are designed for extremely low EMF and LF output. A huge deal if you plan to use infrared regularly. For comparison, many cheap infrared saunas on Amazon have EMF levels 5 to 20 times higher than Finnmark. This is one of the main reasons health-focused buyers choose them. These saunas aren't flimsy. You're getting thick, solid Canadian hemlock, strong insulated wall panels, tight construction to hold heat, smooth finish and modern craftsmanship, clean Scandinavian design. It feels like stepping into a wellness retreat, not a bargain sauna shell. One thing people really love, Finnmark's sense of design. You get full glass fronts, wide ergonomic benches, LED accent lighting, spacious interiors, a warm modern aesthetic. It feels premium the moment you step inside. One underrated advantage of Finnmark's infrared lineup is how easy they are to set up. Most of their IR models are plug and play, meaning no custom wiring, no special venting, no complicated installation, no electrician for many models. You can assemble it in a few hours and start using it the same day. For homeowners who don't want a construction project, this is huge. Now to the other side of Finnmark, their traditional Finnish saunas. They use high heat, elevated humidity, real sauna stones, thick cabin construction, clean Scandinavian layouts. They're built for people who want the classic Nordic sauna experience. The real heat, the steam splash, the deep sweat. But in this video, we're focusing more on the infrared side because that's where Finnmark really stands out from competitors. And this is where Finnmark becomes a unique brand. They let homeowners choose based on wellness goals. Want deep muscle recovery? Choose infrared. Want classic high heat and steam? Opt for traditional Finnish. Want both? They have options across each category. Very few sauna companies offer this kind of full lineup. So why is everyone suddenly talking about Finnmark? Here are the biggest reasons one hears from customers. Safer, low EMF infrared panels. True full-spectrum wavelength coverage. Premium woods and craftsmanship. Beautiful design that is modern, clean, spa-like. Plug-and-play models anyone can install. A brand that builds both Finnish and infrared saunas. Excellent durability and heat retention. And most importantly, the experience feels better. Infrared sessions feel smoother, muscles loosen faster, the sweat comes deeper. And the cabin quality feels like a wellness spa, not a budget kit. If you have questions about sizing, infrared versus traditional, or which Finnmark model makes the most sense for your space, drop a comment. One answer every single one. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. And if you'd like more real-world insights or personalized help, join our free school community, the Steam and Sauna Blueprint. I'm Lena, And until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired.